Good morning, everyone. This is Pinky Kada. I am pursuing my Masters in Public Health at ZD Goenka University. And today we are here to say the mental issues which you are facing right now. Before saying everything, I want to mention a small theory like which we are doing the research on. Like if you see in the medical field, we will be having three phases, which is solid, liquid and gaseous. Solid means the muscles, liquid, the blood and other liquids which are present in our body, and also gaseous which we breathe in. And coming to the blood, we are having three major components of it: red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Platelets, they help in healing, and red blood cells, it helps to give energy to the body. And coming to white blood cells helps us in immunity. Immunity is a part of body where if the foreign substances are entering into the body, immune systems like white blood cells fight with it, and if the immunity is strong, then the whole body is strong. Why I was specifically mentioning these cells in my thesis is, here the whole body is our country, and the white blood cells are you, the one who is guiding us. When the foreign particles are entering into the country, you are the only one who are fighting against it and also protecting the whole Bharat. So I am so proud to stay here, like to share a word with you. It was like a goosebumps moment for me to stand behind you, like before you, and share some slides with you. After doing so much of research, like one of my friend who is working in army, he's a captain, he have guided me like what were the main core problems which you are facing right now. As you all know, you are trying to be physically so fit, but still there is very minute issues which you can't able to know about that. Those are our mental issues. As you can see in the projector in a while, like mental health challenges faced by soldiers is my concept, and understandings and solutions are my description. Coming to the main part, we are here with many reasons what are being leading in the mental health. First thing, it was workload, and then it is leave delay and also domestic issues. For the work delay, we have to do work-life balance for it, regular breaks for it, and timely leaves approvals, reconnecting with the family. And next, as the solution of the domestic issues, we are having support service and counseling. And there are other additional mental health issues. They are traumatic experience, isolation. For the solutions for traumatic experiences are access to the mental health professionals, stress management training, and solutions for isolation are promoting friendships among you and also social interactions. Coming to the additional mental health issues too, there are other issues called sleep deprivation, injury and physical health. Solutions for sleep deprivation gives us sleep hygiene practice and also result sleep restfulness sleep environment. And solutions for injury and physical health are promote medical care and emotional rehabilitation. The other issues like deployment length, stigma around mental health, the solutions for them are shorter deployment, family communication and education. And last but not least, the stress will be more and the substance abuse also being high. So for that, the solutions to get over it are preventive programs, addiction treatment. Finally, the leadership training, and we summarize, I would like to summarize my document in a very small format. Like if you are healthy, if you are staying strong from inside, if you are staying calm, then your health will be both in physical and mental. It will be like so strong. And if you are strong, you make your family strong, and if your family is strong, so everything will be in a good path. Then we who are living with the whole bharosa on you will be like so happy, and we live the happy and healthy life. And I was once again like to thank you all, like in behalf of all my team. Like without you, we are nothing. You are saving our lives, and thank you. We are so thankful for us. In behalf of we are just suggesting you to stay healthy, be positive, and also just focus on your mental issues too. Thank you.